Hey everybody, this is X-Zoom, 772X, coming to you latest and greatest. I'm gonna let y'all hear how good these ALPHALINE Studio monitor headphones sound with just being on TV, plugged into the TV. I have them hooked up on my TV with adapters and all I got from Radio Shack. You just tell Radio Shack you want to listen to your headphones on your TV, and they'll hook you up with adapters and all. I use these for my gaming and watching TV and movies. So right now we're watching The Happening. You can already hear the sound already, but I want you to hear the depth and how good the sound is. These things are huge and gigantic. I've done a lot of reviews on them, so check them out. These things feel amazing. Extra padded, really good padded. Enough space in there for your ears to breathe, and they won't get any ear fatigue because these things are amazing. Sometimes I don't feel like they're on my head. They feel so amazing. You get these at Kmart or Sears. They go around $30 or so. They're cheaper on Amazon. I picked these up for $10 in tax, used in like new section. They're not that much on Amazon either, so check them out. I'm gonna let y'all hear the sound. This is X-Zoom 772X. I'll come at you latest and greatest in more videos, but I'm gonna y'all hear how good the sound is. You have a good one. Actually, before I leave, and y'all keep hearing this, how good these sound. These are amazing. They do sound really good. They got large 50M drivers. Here's a little spec real quick before y'all hear how good these sound. Large 50M drivers. Delivers wide dynamic range and deep bass. They are really good. I've been using them with my gaming. I'm playing GTA 5 and some Call of Duty. I already broke them in already. They sound amazing. Sometimes you gotta break the headphones in, give them their break-in period for the sound to be better. Just the best way to do that is just play games with them on your TV. It'll break in a lot more faster. Check out all my videos and all my latest things I've done. All my headphone videos and reviews and stuff on my X-Zoom 772X account here. You have a good one. I'm gonna let y'all hear how good these sound. These are the ALPHALINE Studio monitor headphones. Oh yeah, I forgot about this band here. It's really good for your head. It can fit almost any head. It's pretty cool.
Jones just died. Close the windows. Close the door, Jeff. Is everything closed? Yes. I'm sorry, What's going on, Elliot? What's happening here? It could be the grass and the trees that doing this now. She was alone when it happened. Seems like they might have gotten more sensitive.
very dangerous to go outside.
Yes.
This is the end, isn't it? I wish you were here.
Me too.
Do you ever feel the prickly things on the back of your neck? Please make them leave.
The Sixth Sense, next on FX.